All right. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everybody. Jummatul Mubarakan. Right now, this is Friday. It's the 14th October. It's Friday. Gold continued dropping after I closed my position at a potential support. I should have held it like any other pre-London, but I didn't. I closed my trade and it continued dropping 90 to 100 pips at this point. Incredible move here by gold. So far on this $5,000 account, so far this week I'm up $838, around $800. So I'm going to withdraw $200 by the end of this Friday, and the total withdrawals are going to go up to 500, I think. Yeah, I think 500, I think. So it's been going well. This account has been going well. Of course, this weekend we're going to post a recap as well. We're going to post a recap of all the trades taken this week. I think a lot of people will find that helpful, of all the trades we took on this $5,000 account. I wanted to take a sell in gold, but decided to set out taking notes for next time. Awesome. That's the best thing you can do at this point. Have you ever traded an agent session? Yes. Can you show us how to adjust zones when overlapping candles when you do analysis? Yeah, you just got to drop down to the lower time frames. Like if you look on the 30-minute now, we're basically creating a support right here. We're creating a support, and there's no confirmation now at this point that price can continue to push up. I know some people are looking for buys on gold, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe, if you're really looking for buys on gold, I think it's going to be wise to wait for price to create some sort of a resistance, and then from there anticipate price to move up. Because whenever you have a downtrend and you're taking a counter trend trade, you have to wait for some sort of a market structure to be broken before you can take that trade. Raja, you should take the 5,000 challenge on a different broker to shut up doubters. How about you shut up? Do you use a 5-minute time frame for confirmation sometimes? No. Very, very rarely. Only when there's a lot of volume in the market. When there's a lot of volume, you're going to see the ranges are going to be bigger, the candles are going to be bigger. So that's when you take a look at that. Especially when we had COVID back in 2020, that's when, the 5-minute candles were like 30, 40 pip candles. When we had Russia, penetrate Ukraine, that's when the volume was higher as well. The candles was pretty big. So whenever you have higher volume, that's when you're looking at smaller time frame for confirmations. But not at this point right here. Raja is so rude for no reason sometimes. Well, that's just me. I don't sugarcoat things. Just like how the market doesn't sugarcoat things, I'm preparing you guys for the markets. All right, let's take a look at this chart over here. This is, I wanted to take sells on gold since the overall downtrend is bearish, but didn't execute the straight to counter trend. Yeah, because I don't know what even happened over here. Took sells in GJ, but I closed it, lost my profits for the week. Yeah, why did you lose your profits for the week? Why? Why could you lose profits for the week? Didn't you manage your risk? But from what I see over here is price ended up continuing down. Maybe you could have given your trade a second chance right over here as well. How come you didn't enter the trade earlier when the price retraced around 1664? Because this was an impulse entry I was looking at right here. When we had this support formed on gold, right over here, right? When we had this support formed, this 15-minute candle, this was the first candle of the 30-minute candle. And this candle closed with no wick on the bottom. And whenever you have a candle closing with no wick on the bottom, I normally don't take those trades because there's a 50-50 chance price is going to continue. So if you look on the 30-minute, this was just one straight 30-minute candle moving down. Then I needed some sort of a confirmation. One, price went down, broke the support, we had this bullish candle form. Now we had a support formed, either I needed a retest to create resistance to move down, or I needed a candle to break below this low and have an impulse entry for price to continue pushing down. So that's what I did. It was an impulse entry right there. Um, were you not worried about the 4-hour support? No. I took the sell, gold sell exactly where you took it, but I closed early when I saw the 4-hour. Please guide me. What should I have been in my mind to let runner like you did? Nothing. Towards support. That's it. Price came to support. I closed. The link of your course you shared in your description, is it your personal course? Well, if you can find it, you can find it. How come you didn't get the GJ buy? I don't know. I just didn't. I wasn't looking at the charts. I was very busy yesterday. I'm experiencing that whenever a major support resistance breaks on 30-minute, it gives a retest on another candle. But the problem is after breakout, next candle go for an entry, and next candle hits my stop loss. Well, you need to take a look at that and ask yourself, why is it hitting your stops? Where could you have had a better entry, basically? Okay, if I see rejection around 1659 during NY, I might take the trade. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Are you looking at gold sells? No, just waiting for the 30-minute candle to close. That's it. If a 30-minute candle can close with a rejection, right here, a resistance formed, and the next one breaks above the high, I'm going to be looking for buys to correct this pre-London move for price to go up. That's what I would be looking at. Thank you, Raja. I've improved so much. Well done. Now, all your future profits, I need 10%. The news this afternoon is good. Going for another 20K? No. No. Not going for any 20K. I'm done for the week. I'm going to do a $200 withdrawal, and that's it. I'm going to be done for the week. $200 withdrawal. 200 for the week is amazing. What time do you release Smart Raja concepts? The time? Haven't even decided a date yet. You're asking for the time. ICT will join you? No, not today. Maybe next week. Raja, safe to say that you're done trading for the week? Yes. These are all the trades I took this week. All the trades I took. I've increased my lot sizes to 1 lots. I'll show you the complete history of this $5,000 account. Those of you who follow me on Twitter, you know where we started from. So look, I started at 0.25, 0.5, 0.7, 0.5, 0.4. So now I'm at 1 lots right here. We drew $325 so far. I'm gonna do another $200 today. That's gonna be $525 withdrawal in 2.5 weeks, right? In 3 weeks. So, it's just been consistent gains, consistency. That's it. So this week I'm going to be withdrawing $200. Realistically, $200 is going to pay for my internet. $200. My internet is not $200, but whatever. $200. The idea is that you should be able to withdraw funds to pay some expenses. I also know that you started from 50K to 4 million. Patience, discipline, attention to details, wait for rejection, gold, 30-minute. Very nice. Very nice. Awesome. So let's take a look over here. Okay, what percentage of your trades are taken during pre-London? Most of them. Let's take a look at this right here, this chart, G2 Verma. If the 30-minute candle closes bear, will that be a good entry? Sure. Yeah, I would say so. But you got to be cautious about this rejection here to the left-hand side. Looks like this is a very good question right here. Hey Raja, different type of question. Before you begin your trading day, do you have any routines beforehand to prepare yourself for the day? I know you go to gym before. No, not at all. I took a nap. I woke up from the nap. I made some green tea for myself right here, and then I came over here. Guys, listen. When you're coming to trading, you're not trying to run a marathon. You're not trying to lift some heavy weights that you need some mental warm-ups. No, you just come to the charts, you identify certain ways candle's going to close, and then you execute on it. If it's a loss, you take a look at that loss, and then you ask yourself, where could you have had a better entry? What could you have done something differently? Why did price move against you? Okay, why? A lot of people victimize themselves asking, oh, why am I wrong? No, ask why price went the other way. Not that you are wrong, why it went the other way. That's what you need to ask yourself. Why? If it's a win, then always look at that win and ask yourself again, where could you have had a better entry? Since October, I have had one trade, but last month I got 5 trades, and all that trades are win. Do you think it's okay rather than losing trade? I think that's wonderful. Let's see here. Does Dominion market work in Africa? Yes. How you transfer money from Dubai tax-free account to Pakistan? How you deal with that? Doesn't that money get taxed? Please answer this. I don't get it. The reason why you don't get it is because you're too young and you're not educated enough. You need to educate yourself how money works, how taxes work, how moving money works, how different companies work, how you can have an entity in Dubai, an offshore entity, and have that entity own a company here and transfer money that way, how expenses work between companies. You need to educate yourself on that. Now, the next question will be, oh, Raja, how did you know all this? Google, google.com and youtube.com. All that information is available on Google and YouTube. You can go educate yourself there. It's free information, man. Go help yourself. Go help yourself with all that free, wonderful, wonderful information. Help yourself with that. There's so much free stuff out there, and you guys don't want to help yourself with it. I'm really greedy, and I help myself with all the knowledge I can get online. All the knowledge. Could you please take a look at this GJ chart? Let's take a look at this right here. The 30-minute candle is not closed yet. We still have about 15 minutes. Okay, pound is a probability of not working out. Clean range. 15-minute candle breaking the low with 30-minute breaking the lower. Liquidity rejection. This candle came right here. Bearish downtrend. What time was this? Now need to go back to my charts and see what time this was. So this was a 30-minute right here. This was a 30-minute, 10:15. Oh, yeah, we still had this rejection right here. But if you managed, oh, yeah, I think risk could have been managed on the 5 minutes. So I would say this was the probability of it not working out. All right, looking at the 30-minute here now. Still consolidating. Pound yen is consolidating. I'm not going to be looking at any, like something would have to really pop out for me to execute a trade. Something would have to really pop out for me to execute a trade. Dominion Market says account opening limit reached on MT4. We don't have MT4, we have MT5. And if it's reached on MT5, contact support. Won't be trading for the next 2 years. Can't give enough time due to schools and coaching, and it's pointless to trade with such short time in a day, but shall always be watching you so that. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you, Junaid. Appreciate it. Is the meetup going to last the full timing, or you can come anytime between the times? All that information is in the email. It's from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Let's take a look at this. Chris, buy above, sell above. We're right now in a very, very dangerous consolidation area on pound yen. US 30 sells below this wick. Well done. Very, very well done. Very well done. So you decided to take it on the break of this low rather than this low here, being safe a little bit. So that's actually pretty good, right? Now, the 30-minute candle is about to close. Dominion markets works all over the world except Iraq. Oh, Iraq? I don't know. Maybe. They should. Can you please send me the website to the company where I can open an offshore or contact info? Man, like, I think this is what leads me to believe how and why the 90% of population is just stupid. Just literally stupid. How to open an offshore Offshore company. There we go. How to open an offshore company. This is for all the stupids out there who don't know how to do this stuff. All right. Oh, there we go. There's the first link right there. This is another link right here. Let's open these links. All right. Okay, contact. Go to contact. And oh, they got the phone numbers there and they got this right here. So why don't you use your little cockroach brains, write your name over there, last name there, email, country, and then send your message. And then probably you're going to get a reply from them. And the same thing right here. Offshore in Hong Kong, Singapore, BVI offshore, Seychelles offshore company, Cayman Islands. Just, wow, man. It's incredible. It's just so. Master, I confess something to you. I saw the impulse entry you did and I wanted to enter too. That booby trap candle was perfect, but it scared me for being in 15 minutes. Well, then maybe next time next time you're not going to be scared. That's all I got to say. You know, because you knew it's going to happen. So next time you're not going to be scared. Was there any registration for the meetup? I didn't sign up for the email. How do I get that? At Sham साहब हमने मंडे को इसकी पोस्ट लगाई थी. आप अगर मेरी स्टोरीज देखें तो मंडे को लगाई थी पोस्ट. अब ये हो गई है फुल. लिटरली सारी स्पेसेस हो गई हैं फुल. Took that 15-minute sell, worked well, very nice, well done, very, very well done. Let's see over here. I really wish we could have an entrance IQ test before watching a live stream. That would be great. When you trade in 15 minutes, when you don't expect to trade in 30 minutes, it's experience. It's all experience, you know. It's like you watch a professional basketball player, you can't ask him, hey, when do you decide to do a layup? And when do you decide to continue to go for the dunk? It's all experience. The more you see price move, the more you try to, you know, explain to yourself, and the more, you know, comfortable you get with certain things. So keep practicing, keep watching how prices move. If you trade London and New York, would you take 2 trades per session or a day? Day. When is a good time to trade? Because I'm at job from 9 to 6 in Pakistan. 9 to 6. Well, after 6 is good. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, after 6 is good. After 6, you have NYSE till London close. There's a lot of volume at that time. Can you show us on chart an example of exhaustion wick and rejection wicks? Are they the same? I have a full video on YouTube about exhaustion wicks and wick fills. So go take a look at that. On gold 30-minute created support, why not taking a buy? Well, because we are in a downtrend, and to take a counter trend, you need a resistance to form, and then you need that resistance to break. So that's what I'm waiting for. All right, let's take a look at this chart here by Raza. Gold sell, very nice. Well done. Well done. So yeah. Which of your business earns you more money and why, if there is any specific reason? Trading has made me more money than all of my businesses. So yeah, I think real estate right now, the returns on real estate are really, really good as well. Obviously the brokerage is there as well, but you know, real estate is physical business that you have all the time. I think that's running really good. Okay, what do you think about GJ? Nothing. GJ is just ranging here today. We're consolidating on GJ, looking at the 30-minute, looking at the, you know, 1 hour and 30-minute. We're just consolidating. We have a support 165.970. We have resistance up over here. Um, yeah, we're just ranging here at this point. Even if you look to the left hand side, if we do break above 167, let's say 100, 167, 100, we have maybe this wick fill, which is like 30 pips away. But other than that, we're just basically consolidating. You know, there's nothing to do on pound yen here today. Kindly advice of this trade. Let's take a look at this chart. Someone sent a chart in the YouTube chat. Thank you so much. I appreciate that effort of sending the chart. Let's take a look at this over here. 30-minute candle close below, sell below right here. Your entry was when the candle was retracing. Yeah. I think your entry could have been when we were breaking the low, but then also you have to take a look on the 15-minute, how the 15-minute worked around that as well. Was it the first minute of the 30-minute or what was it? Opinions on the pie chart video of you going viral? I don't know. Really? Is it viral? When you enter, whenever you are rude on Gulag, I remember your tweet about your relative. You are making Gulag ready to face it. Yes. How do you define a trend? Do you look at the daily 4-hour? I look at all the time frames. I look at the major trend where the high time frame trend is. Like, let's say, for example, if I look on the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour is trending down, right? We're bearish. We basically have this potential wick to fill from yesterday. If we fill it, awesome, but 4-hour is bearish, right? Awesome. Let's take a look on the 1-hour. The 1-hour is also bearish, but if we want 1-hour to go down, maybe we want price to retrace, create resistance, and then go down. Perfect. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. Looking at the 30-minute, the 30-minute candle is going to close in about 5 minutes. And if we do close bearish, we're creating a resistance right here. Now, you have two opportunities. Once we create resistance, and if the next 30-minute candle, respects this low and breaks above this high, which is also resistance, then I think there's a very good opportunity for price to correct the move in pre-New York, which we had in London Open. But if we do break this low, then there's a good probability we can continue pushing down. And for price to push down, we need to understand how big this range is below this wick. This is like a 24 pip range, so we're going to see. Create a video about your strategy in easy way. It's on my YouTube. Brilliant explanation. Thank you, Raja. Thank you. Congrats on a $21,000 trade yesterday, showing the haters you could do it. Big trades went live. Absolutely. Why does withdrawals from Dominion Markets come as PT Adventures? PT Adventures are our third-party payment processors. So that's why you see that there when it comes in. What's the name of the video? I don't know. It's probably on my Instagram that they're talking about. No blackmail today. It's Friday, you know. So I mean, normally blackmail is to like the stream. I mean, if you guys can like the stream before 7:05 a.m. Eastern, that's going to be great. If you can get the likes up to 1,000, that's going to be great. Or I'm just going to end the stream before 7:05 a.m. Eastern. Like, come on, man. You guys come on the stream as like a radio show, as like a talk show, and enjoy the background music. You guys enjoy the background talk, the banter, the roasting, the knowledge, the value. And you don't want to like the stream? Come on, man. Shit. Give your boy Raja some appreciation. The only thing I need in return is a like on the stream and subscribe to the channel. That's the only thing I need. Do you advise beginner traders who are not yet in profit should take impulse entry? Hell no. Hell no. No. Don't do that. Don't focus on impulse entries if you're a beginner trader. Don't do that. To be fair, it's good banter when you do give the speech. Thank you. We're at 483 likes right now. 483. Let me like my stream myself. We're at 484 now. Perfect. 500. Let's get to 1,000. We're halfway there. Everybody, if you're driving, pull over and swipe down on your screen and hit the thumbs up and subscribe. How do you trade on iPhone? They've removed MT4 and MT5 from App Store. Not mine, not my phone. because I got Tim Cook on speed dial. I called Tim Cook. I'm like, hey, Timmy, need MT5 over here. And he's like, all right, Raja, don't worry. Do you take all the trades on this account on the stream? No. No. Have you made money from the real estate in Pakistan? Oh, absolutely. Absolutely, I have made money in real estate. It's like court and consolidation. Yes. We're at 641 likes. Come on, guys. We're at 1,900 people over here. 1,900 people, 640 likes, 1,300 lazy people here watching. Just click the thumbs up. I wonder why people don't like this. It takes 2 seconds. All right, we are 6 minutes away from ending the stream, and we are 1 minute away from the 1 hour candle closing. All right, this is going to be interesting. If you answer my question, I will like. I don't need you here. Get out. Views on smart money concepts. I don't think they work. Can you show us an example of how you use RR on the gold setup? Yeah, just have a stop above the candle and, you know, understand how far price can go. We're at 766 likes, and we are 5 minutes away from ending the stream. All right, let's take a look at pound yen here on the 1 hour time frame. Oh, wow. This is pound yen is forming that perfect impulse entry right here for price to move down. This is going to be interesting. We have 5 minutes. If we don't get to 1,000 likes, I'm just going to end the stream and the Zoom can enjoy the rest of the stream over here. 200 more likes to get to 1,000. 5 minutes and the stream is going to end until we get to 1,000 likes. Let's take a look at gold. Oh, look at that. Gold has created resistance. Candle is breaking the low in the first few minutes. Not a good time to enter. Not a good time to enter at all. Pound yen, 30 minute, 15 minute. Yeah, we got to break below this area. We have a 60 pip range for price to move down. 60 pip range. Clean range to the left hand side. Look at this. We have around 55 to 60 pip range. We're at 935 likes. We need 70 more. 70 more likes and 4 minutes left before the stream ends for everybody. Everybody. How long would you continue if... What? And when you get 1K. If I get to 1K, we're going to continue the stream till NY Open. Do you feel better entering a trade after the first 15-minute candle? Yes, I do feel better because normally here's what happens, right? Here's what happens. 999, 1,000 likes. Thank you guys. Thank you. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate this. You guys literally make my evenings here by doing these little things. So thank you. Those are all my servants clapping for you. Okay, Roger reminded me of my school days. How many point stop loss you usually use for gold? Stop losses mainly depends on, you know, stop losses depends on, you know, the candle structures basically. That's what the stops depend on. So normally I would want price to, you know, retrace in the opposite way and then you hang around before it breaks the low. Because if this candle makes a high first and then it breaks the low, I think that would be a extremely good impulse entry for sells for price to move down. Roger, are you trading full time now? No, I have to go to my fourth job here in an hour. So hopefully I can trade full time one of these days. Hopefully. How much spread on gold on your broker? The spread on gold today is 1.6 pips. 1.6 to 2 because there's a lot of volume, but you know, most days it's like 1 pip, 1.2, 1.3, so it's variable. Why are you joking, brother? Well, someone asked a question, so I answered the question. Dumb questions are going to get dumb answers. Which is the best time for confirmation of entry between 15 and 5 minute? When the sun sets in the west horizon and you have the latitudes of the 40 degrees overlapping the Saturn longitudes. That's the best time to enter on the 15 minute and the 5 minute. That's the best time. One day we believe in you. Thank you. The Chancellor has returned to the UK a day early from National Monetary Fund meeting. He will be sacked. Has it been priced in? Oh, that Chancellor. Maybe the market is waiting for that. That's why we're consolidating on pound yen. Because look at this consolidation. We've been consolidating for 20 hours right now. To enter the sale in gold, do you expect more than 5 minutes to pass? To enter a sell in gold, to be honest, I don't like this range. I'm going to be very honest here with you. I don't like this range on gold. The sell here on gold, it's like a 27 pip range. I don't like it. No, I don't like it. I don't feel comfortable. This range I like better. Above 1658. I like this way better than this small range over here. Maybe if we can break below 1652, right? 1652. This is a better range. 50 pip range here. Below 1652. That's something I like better as well. So yeah, this will be a no trade range here for me. Sorry guys. No trade range. Yeah. So yeah, you already explained me the counter trend. Now gold created resistance. If 30-minute candle break below, we can sell. Already discussed that. When the SpaceX reach to Mars, that's the best time to trade. That's correct. Can you tell me about trading circles? I don't know what that is. How old are you? 35. How much is your risk on a 5K account per trade? 1 to 2%. 1 to 2%. I'm using one lots now, so I'm going to risk around, close to 1.5%. Are you from Nigeria, brother? Yes, I'm from Nigeria. Hi, Raja. Is your brother named Raja Roy Trader? No. Which nation do you live in? The nation of the gods. Which video to watch to know your strategy? All the videos on my YouTube. You need to watch all of them. Does FXCM is good broker? FXCM is good, but the spreads are higher. We at Dominion Markets, we have much lower spreads than FXCM. Do you post all your trades on Twitter? Yes, I do. Please, can you watermark your chart so it's easy to follow? I can't do that, sorry. Greetings from Nepal. Thank you. The nation of God. Does Dominion Market work in Russia? Yes. Your haircut is awesome, Raja. Thank you. How much is your risk reward? 1 to 1, something like that. But yeah, so pound yen, we're still in this range over here now. We're still in this range. We haven't budged in this range at all. I have noticed you have taken a few trades on a 15-minute time frame recently. Is this due to the increased volatility this week? Yes, that's correct. I need more discipline to beat FOMO. No, you don't. You just need to focus on 1 or 2 trades a day. And if you miss a trade, okay. Everyone, listen. This tip that I'm going to give you now, this tip is going to help you a lot. This tip, right? So write down this tip. This is the extremely helpful tip that I'm about to give you to beat FOMO. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Whenever you have FOMO, or whenever a really great move happens, right? If that move happens from an area of support or an area of resistance, and your entry was not near that area of support or resistance, you have missed the trade. Don't enter that trade. Don't do that. And you're going to beat FOMO. Whenever you see a price move like that, just tell yourself, I've missed a trade. Now I got to come tomorrow to the charts. Just do that. And then you're going to be very happy. Tomorrow is going to be amazing. 200 miles on motorway with all expenses paid by trading, meeting one and only Raja Banks. Oh, welcome, Uzair. Tomorrow is going to be a very good day. Extremely good day. Why don't you trade crypto? I don't. This week, GJ is consolidating like nobody's business. That's correct, man. Pound yen is just consolidating. But if we do break, this is going to be an amazing move. This will be an amazing move down. This is a very, very big range over here. It's a 60 pip range for price to continue to move down. Uncle Ted said he was in a trading circle with you. He said it was not much mentorship as a trading circle when you were together to discover why the market did what it did. Yes. Me and Ted, we were in a very closed group trading circle. That's where we were. We were in a trading circle, and every morning we would come up on the charts and we would try to, look for trading ideas. Some days we wouldn't take a trade because we would miss the trade. Other days we would execute a trade and we would win trades, and that's how we learned. That's how we developed ourselves, and that's how we came up. And back then, there were a lot of influencers online. They were using, like indicators and all that stuff. And, as we gained notoriety in the industry and as everyone saw, how we were coming up as having some sort of influence on, having some sort of influence in the industry, that's when now when you see all these influencers, you're going to notice that they're all moving towards clean price action now. Why aren't you placing sell stops then on pound below support? Why? I have no. Why would I place a sell stop? Um, Spread on pound yen is higher. Yes, because there's less volume. Missed your live CPI yesterday, but managed to get big profit. Oh, very nice. Have you ever traded US 30? Yes, I didn't like it. Is ICT coming today? No, he's not coming today. Why you entered in the first 15 minute or the 30-minute most of the time? Because I am Raja Banks and I am experienced trader and a veteran in the markets when it comes towards gold and pound yen, and that's why I do that. Which broker is this? Dominion Markets. Do you have side job then trading? Yes, I have a side job. I'm a full-time dad. Yes. Are you mentoring the UK mini budget U-turn rumors? I don't know what the hell that is. What's going to go down at the meetup? Can't wait. So at the meetup, it's just going to be question and answers and, meetups later. So I'm going to be answering questions. Do you speak Potwari? हाँ जी, बोल ही सकता ना मैं पटवारी भाईजान भाईजान क्या करने हो? Very interesting. Thank you for the trading circle. I try to emulate myself. Thank you. This man is way too funny. Thank you. I use RBC. Awesome. How much risk you have to use to flip 1K, 50K to 1 million? And what is your win rate? My win rate on the $50,000 account wasn't that big, to be honest. My win rate was maybe like 60%, 60% at the most. That was my win rate. So let's see over here. Okay, with the current 30-minute candle, you said it's not the right moment to enter right now. Why is that? What pair are you talking about? Losing 5 to 7K 3 to 4 times and that big 50K win. Oh, very nice. Beautiful. Talking about gold. Yeah, because there's a lot of mess here to the left hand side. That's why. Is the meetup valid for Fluidity members even if we don't take the Sydney's boot camp? The meetup in Australia? Yeah, for sure. For sure. I'm going to be in Australia on I think it's going to be the 21st January, something like that, on Monday. Yeah. So we'll have the whole week. So yeah, we're still kind of in this range here, but I do want to see potential buys above 1658. Above 1658. That's what I'm looking at. I think that's going to be a very, very good idea there. Let's take a look at this chart by Vlad. 5-minute time frame, paper trade, volume is slowing down, CPU red candle. Oh, very nice. Beautiful. A lot of volume came in and you got lucky. How can I know the meetup date for Sydney just to get organized? No idea. No idea. Honestly, I have no idea. Probably Monday. We can do it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Man, we got like what? October, November, December. We got 3 months right now. And all you got to do is show up in the evening. That's basically it. How often you go to Dubai? Every other month. What do you think about prop firm? They're good. Are you not worried about swing low if trading bull on gold? Swing low, I don't know what that means, swing low. I'm only going to be looking at buys above 1658. Do you think today's news are going to cause a big impact on the markets? Sure, we got retail sales data, so we'll see how big of an impact that's going to have. The strategy you're using right now, is it came from Uncle Ted? It's not like a strategy. This is not strategy, guys. This is like understanding how price moves. How many kids you have? Let me see over here. I have, today we have 2,338 kids. Yep. Have you been to Germany? No. Let's take a look here. Oh, whoa. Ah, yes. Too much. Too much. This is what I talked about. If your entry is way far away from the zone, don't take it. So at this point, should have waited for a resistance. All right, look at that. Pound yen. Let's take a look at pre-markets here real quick. Pre-market data. I hope no one's trying to go with the full risk here on Friday and the New York session. Oh, free markets are whatever. What's this? Kroger reaches deal to buy rival grocery company Albertsons for $24.6 billion. Wow, you guys know what this means? Wow, this means gold can continue moving up. Do you guys know? Oh, there we go. We're moving up right now. All right, taking a buy at this point. This is the new 15-minute candle of the 30-minute. Stops are below this area here. We are breaking the high of the 30-minute to the left-hand side. This 30-minute candle broke the low and it's breaking the high, and it's also breaking above resistance. So I think there's a very good probability for price to, continue correcting the move we had in pre-London. Can you speak Italian? Buongiorno. Buongiorno, papito. Buongiorno, papito. Yeah. Yeah, so, now it's going in profits. So I'm always thinking about how can I manage risk. If price comes back to my entry point, I'm going to close 50% because I want to manage risk all the time. Even if it's moving up, even if it's in profits, I'm constantly thinking about how to manage risk. So if I can make 50 bucks off of this move, I think I'm going to be great. I think it's going to be awesome. But the previous 15-minute have no top wick. There's no buts in your confidence and your analysis. When you are confident in something, there's no buts. The buts are going to leave you behind because that's where the butt is situated. The butt is situated behind you. So if you keep thinking about buts, you're going to be left behind, buddy. So there's no buts. You have to plan the trade and then you have to execute. You execute with sheer aggressiveness and with sheer confidence. That's all what you need to do. I would have waited for the candle to close. Yeah, that's a great idea as well. That's a great idea as well. There's no problem with that. But I think it's great. The reason why I have a TP right here, because what if there's a whoop, like a strong move up. So pound yen is still ranging, So see, price went in profits. So if it comes back to my entry point, I'm going to close 50% because I want to manage risk. I don't care about profits. If the profits are going to come, the profits are going to come. But the only thing I can control is my risk. Okay, guys? Always keep an eye on your risk. So I'm always thinking about how can I lose less. How to manage this trade. Are you deaf, buddy? That's all that I've been talking about for the last 5 minutes, how to manage a trade. So see, I closed 50%. Price went in profits, price went to break even, and I closed 50%. Would you trade retail sales data? No, I wouldn't. I'm done for the day. At NY Open, the stream is going to end, and then I'm just done for the day. Raja, hypothetically, if you have to start again your first journey from scratch, how would you start and where would you focus more from the start? Considering where I'm living right now, I'm living in Pakistan, so I have a lot of, I have some time to trade pre-London, pre-New York. I'd say I would start between London Open and pre-New York. Yeah, I would start between pre-London Open and pre-New York, and I would focus on 1 or 2 trades a day. That's what I would focus on. How do I manage risk when my trading is 0.01? Start with 0.02. Just an idea. Do you consider establish a non-profit business so you can hire some workers who can feed their family consistently, which consider as an ongoing charity helps you in the second life? What about second life? What about second life? Who knows about the second life, man? No one knows about the second life. I'm not trying to start a religious debate right here. Oh, yeah, look at that. We're coming down now, so probably just going to close the whole trade. Yeah. So just managed risk, lost $22 on this 50-cent lot, whatever. It's light work. No one knows, but Raja still helps out his hood. Yeah, man, I do help a lot of people. I don't need to open up a social service and tell everyone what I do every day. How about you guys start it on your own accord? Oh, look at that pound yen. Pound yen, nothing. What about GJ? Oh, comes a question. Are you denying afterlife? All right, sending you to the gulag right here. Sending you to the gulag. Don't need any religious arguments here. Not today. I'm sick. I kind of have the flu, so I'm gonna just throw you guys in the gulag. Do you do investment and online mentorship? No. What is the recommendable setup to start? 2 screens or just 1 screen? I think you need 4 screens. After you blew your account 2 times, you started to become profitable. What was your net deposit during the time when you got profitable? 10,000. What is the gulag? You are in the gulag. Thank you, Raja. The big pull. Thank you. Come join us in the gulag. Do you invest in stocks too? Yes. Why you always use bigger lot sizes in London? Because those are my first trades of the day, so that's why. Are you A book or B book? Can you explain the difference? So Dominion Markets runs off of complete A book, which is why the orders they go straight into the market. And that's one of the reasons why you see lower spreads compared to other crypto brokerages. So yes, everything goes into the market. Because if we were B book, we would just lose money as a brokerage because we basically teach you guys how to trade. How to be profitable. I sent in the chart about 5 minutes ago where it entered too far, price had closed below zone. How many pips would you say is the ideal amount? Can you send the chart again, Jake? There are a lot of messages come in, so it's impossible for me to keep up with everything. Okay, there we go. Let's take a look at this over here. Took sells, the price broke below candle, closed below support. How many pips? It's not about how many pips. It's about where the candle high is. So I wouldn't have taken this trade. I can only tell you based on what I would do. I would wait for price to create some sort of a resistance and then continue to push down, but that didn't happen. If we know how to trade and you are B book, would you lose? Oh, why would we lose? Because then the brokerage has to pay money out of their pockets for your withdrawals. That's why. Okay. When you look at gold day one for a past 4 days, the price of support is in gold can despite the daytime frame. Yeah. Maybe send a chart on the daily so we can see what you're talking about. Let's take a look at this over here. You took a sell over here when market breaks the previous low after 10 pips. In profile, stop loss hit after 10 pips. So you didn't secure and price hit your stop loss. Why didn't you manage risk when price came at break even? Your gold short earlier was great. However, one lot seems like a big position for a small 1K account. Do you find you're more confident? No, it's not about confidence. It was about the risk, right? So at this time, my stop was around, like I was risking $120, and $120 is less than 2% risk. So that's why I took that trade on a one lot, you know. Why didn't you re-enter your trade after it got back above your level? Um, because the candle is about to close, I guess. Bro, slurping on coffee. It's actually Johar Joshanda. It's Johar Joshanda. This is good for brain power. This is good for so many things. Karshika Johar Joshanda. You guys need to buy this from one of those Pakistani Indian stores you have. Johar Joshanda. So nice. Johar Joshanda. All right. Are you looking for buy stops or sell stop for news today? No. I'm going to end the stream in 30 minutes. I'm not going to trade news. I'm done for the day. Did you read books to learn about trading? No. Can you might check 5-minute chart on gold? Sure. Right here. Awesome looking chart. You seem to enjoy chatting. Yes, I actually very much enjoy the live stream and chatting. Give me a secret in FX, 1 to 2 trades a day. What's the best time to trade in your USD? All the time. Please look at GA. No. Do you enter a trade and then put a stop loss? Didn't see you enter, sorry. How about you can rewind YouTube and you can see where I entered. UK Chancellor has been sacked. GJ up question mark. I don't know what that means for the economy, to be honest. I don't know who the chancellor is. I don't know what their whole agenda is. I have no idea what narrative they have and the new guy who's going to come in, what narrative he's going to have. I have no clue. So I don't know, to be very honest with you. Is there any high impact news today? No. There no news today. Bro, remove the shirt and wear only the innerwear. No. Have you ever traded in prop firm? No. Thank you. I made $10. Awesome. Core retail news will impact heavily. It should. Depends, but we'll see. I managed risk when market came to my entry. I closed 50%. My risk was 2%, but I only lose 1%. Heart. Very nice. Well done. It's a Friday too, guys. Listen, it's a Friday. Just chill. Just chill on a Friday. That's why I took it with a really small risk. Lost about $22. Nothing crazy. Let me do a withdrawal over here. Actually, gonna withdraw $200 here from this, and then gonna call it a week. Gonna sign into my Dominion Markets account. Gonna withdraw $200. It's gonna hit my bank maybe on Tuesday because it's a Friday, and then I can pay my internet bill. All right. Logging into my Dominion Markets account. Oh, wrong password. Okay, interesting. All right, there we go. Let's take a look at pound yen. Nothing happening, no volume. Gold is still here. Okay, hit withdraw. There we go. We're gonna hit withdraw, and then we're gonna do this 200. Internet bill is around $20. No, realistically, my internet bill is around $50. Yeah, it's $50. Okay, where's that account? $7,308. There we go. 200. In Pakistan, yeah, in Pakistan. I have a 100 megabytes. Oh, there we go. There's the withdrawal went through. I withdrew this. $200 moved away from the account. It's gonna go into my bank maybe by Tuesday, Wednesday. So far, I started this account on the 25th September, and so far total withdrawals I've done is $500 withdrawals so far. First withdrawal was 150, then 175, now 200. So the goal is to be able to withdraw $1,000 a week by the end of this year from this account. $1,000 a week. That's the goal. That's what I really want to do, to be able to withdraw $1,000 a week. If I can get to that, I think that's going to be amazing. It's going to be crazy. Do you often wait for candle to close below above support? Yes, but when there's a lot of volume, then I take a look at, possible impulse entries and whatnot. Like right over here, if a candle breaks below this area, I'm going to be probably looking at an impulse entry for price to move down. Did you meet Mike? What's this? Hawk? When you were in Miami? No, I didn't meet Mike. Do you drink alcohol? If you don't, why? Astaghfirullah. Haram. Wow. What would you account size need to be able to withdraw 1,000 a week? I think around I think if I can get to 15,000 on this account, if I can get to 15,000, then I'll be able to withdraw $1,000 a week. Yeah, in 3 months. Do you know the Omar Agog concepts? Omar just gags on my name all day long. That's the concept I know he's worried about. I want to be a trader. How do I meet up? You want to be a trader, and how do you meet up? Meeting me is going to make you a trader? I doubt that. That's like saying, I want to meet The Rock, and I want to be a movie star. That's not going to happen. Do you know when the volume is enough for you to take an impulse entry? Yep, I know now. And take a look at this 30-minute candle right here. Look how the 30-minute candle closed. 30-minute candle closed below this resistance, so there's no buys and there's no sells. When do you stop trading? Probably like 15th December. But I'm going to push this account till the end of this year. I'm going to try my best to push this account till the end of the year. Top left corner under the sell button, buy buttons. How do I put it on? The one that shows your trade ideas. Oh, that's from... that one is from Magic Keys. That's from Magic Keys. Da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. Yeah. That's from Magic Keys. All right. This guy just promotes his broker and Magic Keys. Oh, okay. Here we go. All right. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, Gulag. Oh man, hilarious! You guys are so funny. Have a great night, Raja. Appreciate it. Headed to the gym for an alpha shoulder day. Amazing, Jordan. Have a great shoulder workout. I'm gonna have a shoulder workout tomorrow. I just did legs today, man. 100 reps of leg extensions, and then had to do 5 sets of 20 reps each on squats. Did some hamstring. Man, there's some crazy leg day here today. How much money can one make from 1K account daily? Maybe $1 a day. How do you know the perfect time to impulse entry? You don't. You just feel it. You just feel that this is going to be the perfect time for impulse entry. How can I use Dominion Markets on MacBook? So we're going to be incorporating a web trader. We're going to incorporate a web trader probably next week, so you can trade directly off of the website on MacBook. Do you take gym off on Sunday or train 7 days a week? No, I'm going to do workout tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be shoulder, and then I'll see what I do on Sunday. How much was your AMG? I don't have an AMG. Do you know Malik Abu Bakr? No, but I may. I know Malik Abdullah. Malik Abdullah, I know him. Some people called impulse entry feeler entry. Oh, nice. That's good. To buy in a downtrend, price must create support and then break previous resistance. To buy in downtrend, To buy in downtrend, you're basically buying counter trend. So you need price to create resistance, break that resistance, and then take a trade. Ray Raja, give information on how to build properties outside a native country. Just go outside of the country. Like, what kind of a dumb question is that? Once you get rolling, it's almost like you don't want to take a day off. Yeah, that's correct, man. You just don't want to take a day off. Sometimes, like, when my plan says, hey, Raja, take a day off, I just go to the gym anyway and I do some cardio. And my cardio is like, on a elliptical machine. I do some skip rope. I do dips, pull-ups, push-ups. Yeah, I from the gym, I try not to take a day off. Even if it's a day off, I do cardio. Because, when your veins pop up, when your veins pop out, and it's just such a great feeling, man. Such a great feeling. So amazing feeling. You go home, take a shower, wear your regular clothes, and you look in the mirror, you're like, God damn, I look good. Yeah. You should try the impossible push-up challenge. It's impossible, so why would I try it? Straight Hulk film. You know what, Jordan? For the last 1 month, I've been doing 100 push-ups a day. Like 20 in the morning, 20 in the afternoon, 20 in the evening, 20 late evening, and 20 right before I go to bed. 100 push-ups a day. So normally whenever I think, oh, I haven't done push-ups, I go down, I just pump out 20 of them. And that's been like really working my shoulders, my back, my core, like crazy. So good. Raja is 35 but still young at heart and mind. Absolutely. Let's play Wordle. I don't know what that is. Oh wow, look at that. Now we're pushing up here on gold. Now we're pushing up on gold. It's a 34 pip stop. And then yeah, I think I could, yeah, I think now, like coming closer towards a New York Open, we could continue to push up. I can't even do 10 push-ups. Oh well. When have you started trading? 7 years ago. Considered weight loss a prerequisite for trading. Lost 29 pounds since July. Oh, very nice. Let's take a look at this chart over here by Sahil. Trade taken when the low of the previous candle was broken. Aggressive. Stop loss is aggressive. Managed risk. Loss 1 to 2%. Yeah. Should have waited for price to create some sort of a resistance. We talked about this as well. Good job. Push-ups a little bad for shoulders. No, man. Whenever I see people who come to me and say, hey man, this exercise is bad for this body part, I'm like, yeah, that's someone who hasn't exercised as consistently and with as discipline as I have. So that statement is basically worthless. Some people say respect every opinion. Those opinions I don't respect, because my body is very different than your body, and my body can really take a beating when it comes towards push-ups. Gold is moving up now. Yes. Should we enter gold? I'm not entering gold. My week is done for the day. You just need proper form from overweight. Just like, yeah, exactly. Some people do push-ups like this. I do them like this. I do them like this, and then I do push-ups. Not like this. This is a retard push-up. I do it like this. So you work the triceps and a little bit of a front and the chest. Do you take any supplements? I take protein shakes. Is that a supplement? Protein shakes? I just take a protein shake. Protein shake, I eat vegetables. Yeah, so my diet is very simple. I wake up in the morning, I have a banana, and then I have some nuts, and then I go work out. I come back, I eat 5 egg whites with a toast of peanut butter. After that, I have a protein shake. After that, in the evening time, I have some chicken with some salad. And at nighttime, if I'm, doing something like having munchies, I eat some nuts or some fruit. Swaggy C, run away with people's mentorship money. I don't know. Started gym because of my weight. Was 138 kg when I started. Now my weight is 130 kgs. Oh, very well done. Seafood, yes. You sound like King Julian from Madagascar. Yes. Since you have a passion for exercise, you should open up a gym chain or something like that. No, I wouldn't be able to sustain that. I'm not in the country long enough to even work on that. So, did you guys talk about retail sales? No, I'm not going to be doing retail sales. No, no. Gyms have a terrible ROI. Yeah, man. Gyms have some terrible ROIs. The ROI is there, don't get me wrong, but it just takes a lot of time to actually see an ROI from a gym. Unless you're really passionate about opening a gym. Do you enter on lower time frames? No. I worked out for 4 years straight. You're wrong. I squatted 4 or 5, deadlifted this and that, played handball, basketball after and days off. Oh, very nice. I played competitive rugby as well. But then again, every body is different. My body is, I think, my body produces a lot of testosterone while I sleep, especially when I take a nap. When I take a nap, my body is producing a lot of testosterone again to feed my muscles and to make my muscles stronger. So that's why I can do push-ups. Yeah. So yeah, it's all about natural testosterone production. All right. Um, Tesla, man, Elon should focus more on producing more cars. That Tesla is fucking going down. All right, here we go. Pound yen is coming in hot. Oh, right here. This would be a perfect impulse entry for pound yen. Perfect, perfect, perfect impulse entry. I'm not taking it because I've already taken way too many trades for Friday, but this would be the perfect impulse entry for price to move down on pound yen. Now you're a pip too late. You're 4 pips too late right now. You are 3 pips too late right now. Please explain again. Mentor, I don't understand because we have a clean range. Sahil, I talked about that trade earlier on in YouTube. So look at that, right? This is 17, 18 pips right here. This is what Kush was also talking about. 20 pips done. Oh, look at that. People got wins over here in Zoom. Beautiful. 20 pips done. Very, very well done. Very, very, very well done. Look at this 1 hour. Amazing impulse entry right here. It just came late, but it did come, right? It did come. And I did mention this, right? Right here. Amazing, amazing impulse entry. Clean, amazing, beautiful range over here. Look at that. 26 pips up right now. 25 pips. Got 15 pips, 5K done. Someone made $100, $20, 20 pips, 22 pips, 70 pips on GJ cells. Incredible. Didn't really move that much, but nice. Oh, look at that. Still moving. 40 pips right now. 46 pips right now. Amazing. Someone made $112 over here. Beautiful. Too early, maybe look for a retest later. What the hell are you talking about too early? We were basically talking about this. 50 pips. Awesome. Very nice. Beautiful. Gold was whatever, but congratulations everybody who took the sell here on pound yen. This was an example of a perfect impulse entry for price to continue pushing down. Look at that. We're coming up closer towards, the 58 to 60 pip range right over here. This was the perfect impulse entry. Gold is going up in a minute. Fuck gold. Pound yen gave you whatever you needed.
Don't treat my baby like that. Come on, man. She.
Don't trade
Morning,
Kervin's
Raja.
baby. Hey,
Raja,
man.
bye. How are you, brother?
Good, man. How are you?
Good, my brother. Good. Just passing by to say hello, man.
Oh, nice. I love it when you
Yeah.
come by.
Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you. How
Yeah,
you been, my brother?
great morning vibes.
Very nice. Friday, right?
Friday.
You can feel it. It's coming.
I
Yes,
can
sir.
feel it coming. No, I'll get monetized. Demonetized.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful.
But yeah, this was amazing.
Yeah, man. Saw that. Nice, nice. Beautiful.
How do you say that it can be a good impulse entry? The previous candle didn't break it. Mr. 24 Forex, I think you need to change your name from Mr. 24 Still Learning Forex. Because you're not 24 Forex right now if you didn't see it. We talked about this, that if the 1 hour candle breaks the low, we have clean range and price can go down. And that's exactly what happened right here. Price broke the low. This was it right here. Your stops were like, up over here within this range and for price to move down. This is the same sell I had on gold right here. You see the comparison? It's kind of like the same comparison, but this was on the 15-minute, and this was based off of the 1 hour, and then it was right over here. I want to open offshore in Dubai. Do you have a website or phone number? Just go Google, man. It all depends on how bad you want it. No one held my hand and told me, hey, Raja, this is how you open an offshore. I wanted that, so I went out and got it. So that's what you got to do. Have you grown the $500 to 7,000? No, this was 5,000 to 7,000. When you take second chances on trades, why didn't you enter again gold? Because it's Friday and I wasn't comfortable with this, the way this candle closed right here. So that's why I didn't enter gold. The most thing I love about you is how precise you are to your trades. It looks like you know where the institution put the volume in. And when I take a loss, I see going with the right direction like, damn, yes. And that's the reason why we're going to be launching SRC, Smart Raja Concepts. Have you ever been scammed? Yes, I was scammed here in Pakistan. Unfortunately. Do you recommend not trading GJ in NY session, instead trade in Asian session? Yeah, sure. Does Magic Key hardware work on Mac? You do need parallels, yes. Can you call Putin to drop the price on pound yen? He already did. Oh, Timo made $6,700. Fourth trade. Oh, very nice. Timo owes me 10%. Timo is actually one of our members who signed up to Dominion Markets, and then he used his commissions to get access to Market Fluidity. This is back when we were also giving Slack access to incentives, but now we closed it. So Timo's lucky. Timo's very lucky. He got in. Yeah. Now Timo owes me $670. 10%. What's this? Made $500. Awesome. I'm compounding my profit right now to build a cottage. Inshallah. How do you know whether to take impulse entry or wait for confirmations? Experience. Experience, my friend. So this was an amazing, amazing, amazing move down over here. This is beautiful. Very, very nice. What's this over here? Sir, ye kaun sa pair hai, jo bhi hai, chal raha hai, I come new here. So this is a very dumb comment right here. Someone said, hello, sir, what pair is this? It's whatever pair this is, it's moving and grooving. Please tell me. How was that scam? That scam was basically, what happens is that whenever a new society is launched over here, they sell what they call our files, like contracts. And this guy sold me fake contracts. And I found that out later on. And he basically scammed me with $5,000. I want to switch from IC markets. Do it. Will GJ go down further? How much more do you want, man? This thing fell, what, like 60 pips over here. How much more do you want? I was scammed by a very popular Forex trader in the UK. Amount was 10,000. Who was that? Let me guess. A very popular Forex trader in the UK. Was it Sean from Astro Effects? Or was it Amanat? Who was it? Or both of them? Or was it someone else? In future, can Dominion commissions be used for anything else than Magic Keys entry in one Magic Keys? No. Where can I download the Dominion platform from Windows? From the Dominion Markets website. टीका का स्कैम हुआ था हाँ जी टीका लगा था मुझे सही किस्म का I mean, I see marketers. I've checked Dominion. Can I deposit from Skrill? No. Um, how do I set magic keys at stop loss in profit? Let's say for 10 pips, partial stops. All right. So I kind of want to leave here now because, you know, the trade is done. Whatever you had to trade, it's done today now. It's already done. It's over. It's over. There's nothing more to do at this point. Can I open MT4? No. I was scanned by Q Banks. KOT Forex is a scam. Oh, wow. Can I deposit Dominion with bank transfer from the US? Yes, you can. If you're in the US, you can deposit via bank transfer. No news? No. Why would I want to trade news? This is it. Is Rufus Raji a scammer? I don't know that guy. Is Dominion Markets regulated? If okay, so we're applying for the DFIC regulation. That's the Dubai regulation. But if we're regulated, let's say in the US, or let's say if we get regulated in Europe, what's going to happen is that we won't be able to provide a 500 to 1 leverage. Our spreads are going to be higher because there are a lot of costs that come with regulation, monthly costs and stuff like that. Um, Normally, you won't be able to hedge at all. Normally, you won't be able to trade gold if you get regulated in the US. So that's why we're looking for a regulation in Dubai. And that's why unregulated brokerages are doing very well these days now, because regulated brokerages have a lot of rules now that they have to adhere to. So is being B-book reason why so many brokers take so long to pay out their people? Not really, because there are a lot of things that happen in that case. Like if you don't get paid out at all from brokerage, then there's a very big possibility you got B-book. But if you get paid out, then it's normal. But with crypto payouts should be very, very quick. How are tax in Dubai? Tax in Dubai is 0%. 2 to 3 more weeks like this, I'll withdraw everything from the prop trading, transfer to main markets. The spreads are hurting my feelings. Oh wow, crazy. Ended the week with 5%. Very, very well done. Do you do mentorship? If you can find it, awesome. Working with international broker allowed in Pakistan. It's nothing is registered in Pakistan, man. This country, the country of Pakistan, as much as I love this country, is ran by corrupt politicians. This whole country is corrupt from the very top all the way down to the beggars. Corruption is everywhere. You know how many people paid taxes last year in Pakistan due to corruption? Do you know? Do you know? Um, what they post is 65%. In reality, 12% people pay taxes in Pakistan. 12%. How does the beggar corrupt? Because the beggars act. Why not teaching trading in Dubai? I am. We're having a boot camp in Dubai in December. The links are on my Instagram. Go to my Instagram. My Instagram is Raja Banks. Go to my Instagram. It's Raja Banks. The link is there for the Dubai boot camp registration. Wow, look at this move over here. Impulse entry moves. This ran about 70 pips at this point. Now I'm getting FOMO here that I could have entered and made some gains, but I know that this will happen later on as well. Careful what you say about Pakistan and Pakistan. Yeah, as I said, I love the country. And I'm very well connected here too. I feel 12% is still very high for any of Pakistan. That's correct. Is this boot camp live, brother? It's an in-person boot camp. I'm going to be there in Dubai in December. So we're having 2 boot camps. One is going to be in Australia. The other one is going to be in Dubai. So let's see over here. Wow, pound yen is just destroying. If you're having runners right now on pound yen, man, you are doing very, very well at this point. Very, very well at this point with runners. That's great. Yeah. So this is what we got. Sydney, Australia bootcamp. This link is in my Instagram description. 27th to 29th January. We got the Dubai bootcamp from the 16th to 18th December. Both of these are in-person boot camps. Australia one is almost sold out. Dubai one, we still have some spaces left. So yeah, these are all the important links we have. So I'm gonna head off. Take care, everyone. We'll see you on Monday. Wow, this ran 90 pips? Almost 90 pips. Yeah, we'll see you guys on Monday.
Gracias, Raya.
Yeah, gracias, buddy. Take care, everybody. Yeah, if you're in Market Fluidity, of course, you get a discount. So, take care.
Gracias, maestro.
Thank you, Mr. Banks.
Maestra.
Thank you, Roger. Have a great day.
Adios.
Adios.
Adios,
Gracias.
amigos. Wow, 90 pips, amazing. Take care, Gulag. Bye-bye.